Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a for loop because it gives explicit control over start, end, and step. First, declare your index, int I equals 0, then set a clear condition such as I items. Length so the loop ends. Finally, add an update like I++ to advance. Once done, place the action inside braces so it runs each iteration. This structure prevents infinite loops and makes performance predictable, which matters when processing arrays or lists in C#. Now you apply the loop to real data. Use foreach when you only need to read each element. It's concise and safe. When you must modify items, remove elements, or rely on the index, use a for loop so you can control I and adjust iterations. For arrays, use length. For lists, use count. Always check bounds before accessing collection I to avoid exceptions. Once you implement this, test with small inputs to observe iteration ordering and side effects to ensure correctness. Complete the task by running tests and stepping through with the debugger. You should assert expected output for empty and full collections and inspect I and the current item on breakpoints to confirm behavior. If results are wrong, re-evaluate initialization, condition, and update to ensure the condition will become false. That single mistake causes infinite loops. Once fixed, refactor, extract loop body to a method when it grows, and make sure performance remains acceptable for large datasets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.